As to what I said last meeting, you should have studied ahead of time about earthquake for today's oral recitation.
Me, ma'am!
Yes, Kevin?
Earthquake is a shaking of the surface of the earth resulting from the sudden release of energy from Earth's biosphere that causes seismic waves.
Very good, Jalen. How about you, Pearl? Pearl, what will you do if there is an earthquake?
Ma'am,
Wala, hindi na!
according to what I have learned, ma'am, if there's an earthquake, you must apply the duck cover and hold, and then you must be stay calm in any events that it might be happening.
Well done, Pearl.
So, the best way to protect yourself during an earthquake, back down to the floor, be covered under a study table, and hold on until the shaking stops. Always remember, stay alive, stay alert, and stay safe. Thank you for watching.